I'm just going to give you a quick demo and show you everything that you're going to be able to do on the Friender Basic plan, which is normally $9 a month or $99 a year, that we're going to give it to you for free right now. So you're going to be able to actually run your sync. All right, you're going to have access to these settings over here. You're going to be able to go in and actually set up your auto sync. If you want Friender to just auto sync your friends list every single day, you're going to be able to set when you want that auto sync to happen. You're going to be able to set when your friends are going to be considered inactive. You're going to be able to say when friends are considered new, and you'll be able to go back and decide, hey, how far back do I want to do my engagement sync? All right, and you'll understand what that is in just a second. I'm going to show you. Okay, so you're going to have access to the dashboard where you'll be able to see your friends, your non-friends, the people that you've actually unfriended. You're going to have access to your contacts where you'll have all your contacts, your friends, your non-friends. Your non-friends are basically people who are not on your friends list, but you have interacted with them somehow, or they have commented on your post, for example. They've commented on your post, but they're not on your friends list, or you've interacted with them other ways. You're gonna be able to see the people you've unfriended. You're gonna be able to see all the friends that you lost. These are people that they were on your friends list once upon a time. You did not unfriend them with Friender, and they are no longer on your friends list, okay? So when Friender does a scan, it is going to actually pull in all your friends. So it's gonna go in and actually pull in all your friends. Not only that, it's going to go in, and you're going to have access to this as well. It's going to go in and pull in all your posts from Facebook. You can see I have 2,454 posts on Facebook. So it's going to go in and pull in all your posts from Facebook. And you'll be able to go in and see, for example, the post that has, here's a post that has 14,000 comments right here, or 1,400 comments. You'll be able to go in and see all your posts and all the engagement that you got on your post. Who are the people that are actually engaging? What was the comment that they actually left? Did they leave a reaction or not? So you're going to be able to go in and see all your posts, all your engagement. All right. You're going to be able to go in and see the individual people, your individual friends and your non-friends. You're going to be able to go in and actually see all their information. So for example, you can see, hey, where did we get this friend from? They came from an incoming friend request. Friender is going to track these incoming friend requests. You can see how much engagement that they've done, how many total reactions. You can see how many comments they've left, what the total engagement. You can see how long they've been on your friends list for. You can see how long it's been since they last engaged on your post. I can see that it's just 6 days since this person engaged on my post. You can see how many messages that they actually have. You'll be able to see that activity log. So you'll be able to see everything that they've done and when they've done it. You'll be able to see what engagements did they actually leave and when did they actually leave them. So you'll be able to see, like, hey, what their comments were, what posts they actually reacted on. So as you can see, there's just a vast amount of data that Friender gives you about your Facebook friends list. It really does turn it into a full-blown CRM and sales engine. You're going to be able to see the same thing with your non-friends. Okay, you're going to be able to see all this information or for all. And then if you want to unfriend people, for example, if you want to unfriend people who don't engage in your content, here's people. You can see this person has not engaged in my content in a long time. It's been years since this person has engaged in my content, years since this person has engaged in my content. So if I want, I can just select them, and then I can come over here and I can unfriend them automatically if I want to unfriend them automatically. I can also whitelist and blacklist people in case, like, I can whitelist people. Like, for example, I had my wife over here. So I had my wife over here someplace. Here's my wife. So I can easily just whitelist her so that I don't unfriend her for any reason. Okay, if you want to unfriend a bunch of people, or if you want to unfriend everybody, you just come in here and you can click unfriend. Again, I'll just show it to you, and we can go in and we're going to unfriend these 3 people right here. We just click unfriend. It's going to pop up. if we actually want to unfriend them, I don't want to unfriend all those people. So I'm just going to come back over here and select just these three. If you remember, I select everybody before. Now I'm just going to select these three. Unfriend. It's telling me I'm going to unfriend 3 people. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unfriend them. Now Friender will go in and unfriend them. So you can see we've already unfriended this person right here. So we already unfriended that person. They're no longer on our friends list. So you're wanting to actually bulk unfriend people or unfriend people. Friender is going to be able to allow you to do it very intelligently. Okay. But you're also on this plan level, you're going to be able to wish people a happy birthday automatically. So you're going to be able to go in and actually send happy birthday messages and post on people's wall for their birthday. So this is included in what we're going to give you right here, right now for free. So not only are you going to be able to unfriend people, not only are you going to be able to see all the data about your friends and see their engagement, who's active, who's inactive, and then be able to actually look at them and get all their information, get the entire activity of everything that's actually happened with them, see all the engagement that they've left, what comments have they actually left, okay? You're also going to be able to see all your posts and which posts are performing, when you posted it, how long it's been since somebody has actually engaged on that post, how many people have engaged on it, how much total engagement have you actually got, how many reactions, how many comments are unanswered. So I can see right here, here is a post that I have 2 comments on and I have not replied to it. What is the post? Here is the post right here. If you want to view the post, you can actually open it up and view the post, and you can see there are the 2 comments that I had and the people who I have not actually responded to them. Okay, so you are going to actually get all these post analytics as well in the basic plan. It's also on a calendar, so you can actually look and you can see what your calendar looks like in terms of how often are you posting. Are there days where you're not posting, where you can get a good idea? And on top of that, you're going to actually be able to schedule your post in the future. So you're going to be able to come right in here and you're going to be able to schedule your post in the future. So as you can kind of see here, I have posts going out into the future. This is right now, it's May 28th right now, and you can see these are posts in June. I have a post almost every single day. Some days I have 2 posts scheduled, and this will just automatically post it for me. So again, what you're going to get here right now and what you're able to do on our basic plan, again, it's normally $9 a month or $99 a year. We're going to give it to you for free right now. No credit card, no strings attached whatsoever. You're going to be able to do all your unfriending. You're going to be able to sync your friends list, get access to all your friends, and see all their engagement information, your message history with them, all their engagement information. Are they active or inactive? You can see all of these friends are active. This one is almost inactive because it's been 52 days since they've interacted with my post. You're going to be able to see who you've unfriended. You're going to be able to see what friends are you losing. You can go in and actually unfriend people in bulk if you want to unfriend people in bulk, or if you just want to unfriend the inactive people, you can go ahead and unfriend those inactive people. You're going to get access to the birthday wisher, where you can automatically send happy birthday wishes to people. You're going to get access to the dashboard as well. You can see in the activity log, if we look, we're automatically sending out these birthday wishes. So as you can see, we're automatically sending out birthday wishes every day to people. That happens automatically. That will start conversations for you. You're going to get access to your post analytics, where you can see all the information about your post. You can look and see, hey, do you want to go find posts where you have a bunch of people who have commented on your post and you have not replied to them, which means you probably have leads right there. Hey, just click this. Look, here's a post that has 873 comments I haven't replied to. Here's a post that has 379 comments I haven't replied to. Here's a post for Engagement Monster AI, has 84 comments that I have not went and replied to. That's probably leads sitting right there. So you're going to get access to the post module. You're going to get access to the content calendar, where you can actually look and see all your content. And then you're also going to be able to schedule your post in the future. You can even repeat those posts where you can schedule 30 posts at a time if you want to. All of this you're going to get right now. All you have to do is put in your name and email, and we're going to set you up an account. There's no charge whatsoever. You don't even need to give us a credit card. We normally charge $9 a month or $99 a year. We're going to give this to you for free. And this was exactly what you were looking for, to be able to unfriend people on Facebook, and some additional stuff that's going to be really useful to you.